Hello everyone! It is so good to have you here today. Welcome to Motivationizz, your very own special place for all things happy and all things good. I want you to feel like you're sitting right here with me, maybe with a nice cup of tea or whatever makes you feel cozy. We're all friends here, a big wonderful family from all over the world, coming together to share a little bit of kindness and a whole lot of encouragement. Life can be a roller coaster, can't it? It has its ups and it definitely has its downs, and sometimes those downs can feel really heavy. But that's why we're here together, to lift each other up and remind ourselves that there is always a reason to smile. Today, we're going to talk about something truly special, something that's more than just a way to pass the time. We're talking about hobbies. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's like finding a secret key to unlock a room full of happiness inside you. Think about it. What's that one little thing you do that makes your heart feel a bit lighter? Hobbies are not just for fun, oh no. They are powerful, they are healing, and they are like a warm hug for your soul when you need it the most. They're your personal therapy, your quiet escape, and your way of telling the world and yourself that you've got this. It's about finding joy in the little moments. The beautiful thing is that this idea isn't new. It's something people have known forever, all across the globe. From a grandmother in Italy tending to her beautiful tomato plants, to a young boy in Japan learning to fold intricate origami, people everywhere use simple activities to find peace. It doesn't matter how old you are, where you come from, or what you do. A hobby is a universal language of happiness. It's a way for us to connect with ourselves on a deeper level, to quiet the noise of the world for a little while and just be. It's a reminder that we all have the power to create our own little pockets of joy. So I want you to open your hearts and your minds today. Let's explore this amazing world together. Let's think about how these simple, wonderful activities can be our best friends on tough days. You don't need a lot of money or a lot of special skills to start. All you need is a little bit of curiosity and the willingness to give something new a try. Because when life gets a little cloudy, a hobby can be the sunshine that breaks through the clouds, reminding you that a brighter day is just around the corner, waiting for you. It's your personal dose of Motivationizz. Let's dive a little deeper into this, shall we? Imagine you've had a really tough day. You know the kind I'm talking about. Nothing seems to go right, and you feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Now, what if I told you that you have a secret superpower that can help you fight off that stress and sadness? That superpower is your hobby. It's true. When you focus on doing something you love, something magical happens in your brain. All those worries and stressful thoughts start to fade away, just like clouds drifting by on a windy day. They don't disappear forever, but for a little while you get a break. Think about someone who loves to paint. When they pick up a brush and start mixing colors on a palette, their world shrinks down to just the canvas in front of them. The argument they had this morning, gone. The pile of bills on the table, forgotten. It's just them, the colors, and the beautiful picture they are creating. This focus is incredibly powerful. It's a form of mindfulness, where you are completely in the present moment. You're not worrying about yesterday or stressing about tomorrow. You are right here, right now, making something wonderful. And that is an incredibly healing and peaceful experience for your mind. Or what about gardening? There's a reason people say that to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. When you put your hands in the soil, you're connecting with the earth in a very real and grounding way. You're nurturing something, watching it grow from a tiny seed into something beautiful and alive. This act of caring for another living thing can be so therapeutic. It teaches us patience, it reminds us of the cycles of life, and it shows us that with a little bit of love and attention, amazing things can happen. Seeing that first little sprout push through the dirt can bring a feeling of hope that is just incredible. And it works for everyone, absolutely everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a busy CEO, a stay-at-home parent, a student, or a retiree. We all have that need to de-stress and find our happy place. Your hobby could be knitting a cozy scarf, playing a guitar, writing in a journal, or even baking a delicious batch of cookies. The activity itself is less important than the feeling it gives you. It's about finding that one thing that allows you to breathe a little deeper, smile a little wider, and feel like yourself again. It's your personal reset button, and you can press it whenever you need to. Let's talk about some more of these wonderful hobbies, because there are so many out there, just waiting for you to discover them. Take reading, for example. Opening a book is like opening a door to a completely different world. You can travel to faraway lands, solve mysteries with clever detectives, or fall in love with characters who feel like old friends. For the time you are reading, you get to step out of your own life and into someone else's. This escape can be an amazing relief when your own reality feels a little too heavy. It's a way to experience 1,000 different lives and learn so much about the world and yourself. Then there's music. Oh, music is just the best, isn't it? It has this incredible power to change our mood in an instant. Listening to an upbeat song can make you want to dance around your living room, and a calm, gentle melody can soothe an anxious heart. But what about playing music? Whether you're strumming a ukulele, tapping on a piano, or just singing in the shower, making music is pure joy. You don't have to be a rock star to feel the benefits. The simple act of creating a rhythm and a melody is a fantastic way to express emotions that are sometimes too hard to put into words. It's like letting your soul sing. And we can't forget about moving our bodies. Hobbies don't have to be quiet and still. Things like dancing, hiking in nature, or even just going for a long walk can be incredibly therapeutic. When you move your body, your brain releases these wonderful things called endorphins, which are like natural happiness chemicals. It's hard to feel sad when you're dancing to your favorite song, or when you're standing on top of a hill looking at a beautiful view. It helps you get out of your head and into your body, releasing all that pent-up energy and stress in a healthy and positive way. The key is to find what makes you smile. Your perfect hobby might be something completely different. Maybe it's building model airplanes, trying new recipes, learning a new language, or volunteering with animals. There is no right or wrong answer here. The goal is to find an activity that makes you forget about time, an activity that fills you with a sense of accomplishment and peace. I encourage you to be a little adventurous. Try something you've never done before. You might just be surprised to find a new passion that brings a whole lot of sunshine into your life. Now, I want to talk to you directly, especially to anyone out there who is having a really, really hard time. I see you. We see you. There are days when getting out of bed feels like climbing a mountain. On those days, the idea of starting a hobby might seem impossible, and I understand that. It can feel like you don't have the energy, the motivation, or the hope. But this is when it's most important to be gentle with yourself and to try, even in the smallest way. You don't have to paint a masterpiece or run a marathon. Just a tiny step is a huge victory. Maybe your hobby for today is just listening to one song that you love. Just one. Put on your headphones, close your eyes, and let the music wash over you for 3 minutes. Or maybe it's looking through a book of beautiful photographs of nature. You don't even have to read the words. Just let your eyes rest on a picture of a peaceful forest or a calm ocean. These tiny acts of self-kindness can be a lifeline. They are a way of telling yourself, I am worth this moment of peace. I deserve to feel a little bit better. And that is an incredibly brave and powerful thing to do. I want you to remember that trying a hobby, even when you feel your lowest, can bring a little glimmer of light into the darkness. It can give you a small sense of control when everything else feels chaotic. It can be a tiny spark of hope that reminds you that feelings are temporary, and this difficult moment will pass. It takes so much courage to fight through those dark days, and every single effort you make is something to be proud of. Please be proud of yourself for trying. Be proud of yourself for still being here. You are so much stronger than you think you are. So please, never ever give up. Keep going, keep trying, keep searching for those little things that make you smile. You are not alone on this journey. We are all here with you, cheering you on every single step of the way. Stay positive, hold on to hope, and remember that you are an important, wonderful part of this world. There's a whole community here at Motivationizz that cares about you. Keep going because the world is a much, much better place with you in it. We're sending you so much love.